Hi everyone, I'm Philip with iRobot, and in this video we'll be taking a closer look at the Roomba Combo i5 Plus. First we'll take a quick look at what comes inside the box. Next we'll see what this robot's capable of, and we'll wrap up and get you out of here. So this is everything that comes in the box for the Roomba Combo i5 Plus. We've got the robot itself that's sitting on the clean base automatic dirt disposal, 2 dirt disposal bags, 1 extra filter, then we have the interchangeable Roomba Combo bin, along with 1 microfiber mopping pad. The Roomba Combo i5 Plus is a great value to those who prioritize vacuuming with the occasional mopping experience, and this can be easily achieved with a simple swap of the bin. Now let's say you want to do a vacuum and mop cleaning mission. I'll quickly take you through the steps to get your robot ready for it. So first we'll want to grab the combo bin itself, along with the microfiber mopping pad. Once we attach it to the bottom, open the lid, and then you can fill this reservoir with water or numerous different types of compatible cleaning solutions. Next, we're going to grab the robot itself, press the bin release button to remove the vacuum only bin, and swap it with our combo bin. Once placed in, our robot automatically knows we're going to do vacuum and mop cleaning missions. Next, we'll go into the iRobot Home app and tell the Roomba Combo i5 Plus to clean the hard surface rooms. You can control how your Roomba Combo i5 Plus cleans by simply attaching the vacuum or vacuum and mop bin. Then, tell it which rooms to clean through the iRobot Home app, or simply tell your favorite Alexa device. And don't forget about the Clean Base Automatic Dirt Disposal, as this is going to allow you to forget about vacuuming for months at a time. The Clean Base will automatically empty the dirt and debris from the vacuum bin each time the Roomba Combo i5 Plus comes home into an enclosed disposable bag. When the bag's full, simply lift the lid of the clean base here, pull the used bag up and out, and throw this used bag in the trash. Replace it with the nearby bag. Slide it in, close the lid, and your Roomba Combo i5 Plus is ready to get to work again. And what makes this even better is there's no waiting for a filter to dry, nor do you have to breathe in a 2-month-old dust cloud like you would with a bagless system. Okay, I know that was a lot of information to digest. Let's recap quickly. The Roomba Combo i5 Plus can be turned from a robot vacuum to a robot vacuum and mop with a simple swap of the bin. You can choose which rooms to clean and when you want to clean them, and the Clean Base Automatic Dirt Disposal will have us forgetting about vacuuming for months at a time. Okay, that does it on the Roomba Combo i5 Plus. If you want a fantastic robot vacuum with occasional mopping, please add one to your cart today so you can experience double the clean with one machine. See y'all later.